We already know that water is the most important resource on the planet. It is the essence of our life on earth. And yet, if you ever see a river or lake around your city, it would be evident to you that we are facing a very serious problem of water pollution. Let us educate ourselves about water and water pollution. Two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered by water. 76% of our body is made up of water. As you already know, water is everywhere and all around. However, we have a fixed amount of water on Earth. It just changes its states and goes through a cyclic order, known as water cycle.
Plastics are one of the major cause as they are non-biodegradable and stays in the food chain. Nature has already alarmed us several times about the consequences of polluting the environment. This is the time we must find alternative and we must restrict ourselves from polluting the water bodies more and more. Polluted water has already resulted in the extinction of many species which resides in water. Pesticides are included in a broad range of organic micropollutants that have ecological impacts. Different categories of pesticides have different types of effects on living organisms. Therefore, generalization is difficult. Although terrestrial impacts by pesticides do occur, the principal pathway that causes ecological impacts is that of water contaminated by pesticide runoff. Contamination and pollution of water are serious problems today. Many of the chemical substances that are disposed in water bodies are toxic and hazardous. Disease causing microorganisms such as bacteria and virus are solely responsible for waterborne disease in both humans and animals. Nonylphenol, a hazardous chemical present in detergents, is known to enter water bodies and the food chains. It bioaccumulates and can pose serious environmental and health risks. It has been detected in human breast milk, blood, and urine and is associated with reproductive and developmental effects in rodents. It is recommended to find substitutes to nonylphenol.
Effects of water pollution are: number 1, disease. In humans, drinking or consuming polluted water in any way has many effects on our health. It causes typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, and various other harmful diseases. Number 3, eutrophication. Chemicals in the water body encourage the growth of algae, and these algae form a layer on the top of pond or lake. Bacteria feed on the algae, and this decreases the amount of oxygen in the water body, thus affecting the aquatic life. Number 4, affects the food chain. Disruption in food chains happens when toxins and pollutants in the water are consumed by aquatic animals, which are then consumed by humans.
The best way to prevent large-scale water pollution is to try and reduce its harmful effects. There are various small changes we can make to protect ourselves from a scary future where water is scarce. First, save water. Conserving water is our first aim. Water wastage is a major problem globally and we are only now waking up to the issue. Simply, small changes you can make and domestically will make a huge difference. Second, better treatment of sewage. So, treating waste products before disposing of it in a water body helps reduce water pollution on a large scale. Agriculture or other industries can reuse this wastewater by reducing its toxic contents. Third, use environmentally friendly products. By using soluble products that do not go on to become pollutants, we can reduce the amount of water pollution caused by a household.